up, everybody? Today we're going to be changing the air filters on the Tesla Model 3. You basically just need 2 air filters and you're going to need a flathead. And that's about it. So let's get into it. So pretty simple process. We basically need to get inside this panel right here. So we'll basically just need to flip this up, pop this out. So it sounds like you're breaking these panels, but you just want to be kind of gentle as you take them out. Oops. Want to be kind of gentle as you're taking these out. My hands are a little bigger, so it's a little harder to get in here. I'm not trying to. There we go. That's another one. All right, there we go. That should be the last one. Okay. Pretty easy, as you see. Just pops kind of right out. I would recommend coming in kind of at this top portion up there. It's the easiest way that you can get a grip on it. So now we have our next step. We really have to get in here. So now there's these clips, as you see. We have to pop these. See, you kind of just need the flathead to pop these out. I believe there's 4 of them here. You get that one. There we go. Now, some people recommend disconnecting the entire panel. Personally, I'm going to try to do it without disconnecting all of them. Oops. There we go. And then that should be all of them. I feel like I'm missing one. There we go. All right, got it. All right, great. Now that we have that out of the way, let's move on to actually working with the filter now. So, yeah, right up in here, there's one screw we need to remove right here. All right, we're gonna need to remove this here. It's kind of hard to get in here because of the flooring. Pretty sure you're supposed to use a some sort of screwdriver. I didn't really see what it was, but I'm trying to use what I got. It's easiest to get it out of here. It's a pain in the ass. Having to take all this off to change your air filter, definitely a little annoying. Can't get that out. The reason I'm doing this is I've been putting off changing the air filter, but I just rented out my my Tesla on Turo, and last person that had it was smoking some dope in the car. So now whole car smells like dope, and we needed to change his filter. Now, if you see, if we get up in here, there's these little tabs to help pull out the air filter. I have a feeling these are going to be really dirty. Oh, this thing is nasty. There we go. Look at that. Oh, that's gross. So I bought this car used. And you can see some dirt in there. Should probably vacuum that out before. Yeah, it's like yellow. I mean, look in comparison. I mean, you got this one, and you got this one. Like, that looks nasty. So I bought this car used at 22,000 miles, 30,000 on it now. So in retrospect, I probably should have changed the filter before. All right, so now we're gonna put these air filters back in. All right, and that's it. That's the install for that. So it really didn't take much. I mean, you got one screw, you have a flat head. We will have to put some of these pieces back on, but overall, probably takes, if you've never done it, probably takes you about 10 minutes. A little annoying for, you know, I guess for changing the air filter, but it is what it is. So if you got a Model 3 and you need to change it, pretty easy tutorial right here. All right, well, thanks for checking this one out with me. I'll catch you guys in the next one. All right, be easy up.